In this session, let us learn about Python statistics module. Python is a built-in module that you can use to calculate mathematical statistics of numerical data. The statistics module was new in Python 3.4. Statistics.harmonic_mean method calculates the harmonic mean central location of the given data. Statistics.mean method calculates the mean average of the given data. Statistics.median method calculates the median middle value of the given data. Statistics.median_grouped method calculates the median of grouped continuous data. Statistics.median_high method calculates the high median of the given data. Statistics.median_low method calculates the low median of the given data. Statistics.mode method calculates the mode central tendency of the given numeric of normal data. Statistics.pstdev method calculates the standard deviation from an entire population. Statistics.stdev method calculates the standard deviation from a sample of data. Statistics.pvariance method calculates the variance of an entire population. Statistics.variance method calculate the variance from a sample of data. Okay friends, this is the end of part 11 Pandas statistics module. In next video let us learn about another topic, Python math module. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.